KETO family, it's me, Marissa, and today I'm going to be doing some non-keto, listen people, non-keto Nutella rolls. So let's get started. Your ingredients will be some bread, Nutella, and butter. And your materials will be a pan, a butter knife, and a knife. And last but not least, a cutting board. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you're going to take the bread. So we're going to just cut the crust. Okay. So now you're going to spread it in the middle. Make sure to not spread it like all over like the edges and all that stuff so it won't leak. Won't rip. Once you have like mine, you're gonna just like, I'm gonna make some more and then I'm gonna show you how like to fry it. Now it's time to cook it. Now come closer. I know you want to take a sniff. Sniff it. So thank you all so much for watching. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press that notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. And comment down below what videos should we do next. Bye.